what is polar modulus for the solid circular section. So Ixx for the circular section is Ixx is equals to Iyy, and it is equals to pi d4 upon 64. That we know. कितना होता है moment of inertia of the solid circular section is pi d4 upon 64, and polar modulus will be Ixx plus Iyy. So this is giving us, in दो बार इसको ऐड करेंगे, so this will become pi d4 upon 30. R is the radius, which is equals to divided by diameter, half of the diameter. And this is how we write polar modulus will be Zp is equals to J upon R. It is pi d2 upon 16 for the solid circular section. ठीक है, इसमें तो ये तो नोन है सॉलिड सर्कुलर सेक्शन का, आप लोग को मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया पता था, एंड उसको भी अब ऐड करेंगे हम, तो वी कैन गेट द polar moment of inertia, and then उसके बाद we can calculate the polar modulus. तो ये फॉर्मूलेज है बेसिक, ये आपको याद रख लीजिएगा, तो it will help you in solving the numericals.